There's something undeniably special about sinking your teeth into a juicy burger at a restaurant. When you order a burger, the anticipation builds as your senses are enticed by the aroma wafting from the kitchen. Each element, from the fresh bun to the perfectly grilled patty, melds into an experience that ignites your taste buds. One reason restaurant burgers taste better lies in the quality of ingredients. High-end establishments source premium beef, often grass-fed or organic, offering a richer flavor profile that home-cooked recipes just can't achieve. Paired with artisanal buns and locally sourced toppings, every bite feels gourmet, crafted with care. Moreover, masterful cooking techniques elevate the burger experience. Chefs know how to create the ideal sear, locking in juices while achieving a satisfying crust. The grill or griddle plays a vital role in flavor development, infusing a smoky essence that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. The ambience of a restaurant enhances the burger experience as well. The lively chatter, clinking glasses, and sometimes even a view create an atmosphere that heightens enjoyment. You're not just tasting a burger, you're savoring the entire scene, adding to the overall pleasure. In conclusion, restaurant burgers offer a unique combination of high-quality ingredients, skilled cooking techniques, and vibrant surroundings that elevate their taste above the ones we make at home. So the next time you crave a burger, treat yourself to the delightful indulgence of dining out.